Welcome to our guide on resolving X Twitter crashing issues on your PC. Let's dive into the steps to troubleshoot and fix this problem. Begin by refreshing the X Twitter web page to potentially resolve any temporary glitches causing the crashing problem. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. For detailed instructions, we recommend visiting your browser's support website to ensure a smooth operation of X Twitter without crashing. If the crashing issue persists, log out of X Twitter desktop and log back in to refresh your account settings and potentially address the crashing problem. Consider restarting your device by powering it off, waiting for 30 seconds, and then turning it back on. Sometimes this simple step can help resolve technical issues leading to X Twitter crashing on your PC. To rule out network-related causes, try connecting to a different network or using data to see if the crashing issue persists. If the crashing problem continues, reach out to X Twitter support for further assistance in diagnosing and resolving the issue promptly. Additionally, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and strong enough to support X Twitter without causing crashes. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix X Twitter crashing issues on your PC, ensuring a seamless experience when using the platform. Stay connected and enjoy a smooth X Twitter browsing experience by addressing these crashing problems promptly.